Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a vlog. Wow, it is currently 9:41 and I have already had my advent calendar, taken out my retainer, you know, all the good things that everyone always does every day. And I'm currently watching Mom, and I'm like, it's a solved case thing. They're really fun. And also look at my moose or a reindeer. Comment down below if you think that thing over there that I just like zoomed into is a moose or a reindeer, because I think it's a moose, but I have literally no clue why, and I don't even know what a moose looks like. So well, I just googled a moose and now I'm even more confused, so thanks Mia. That's really fun. And now, because I've got my camera out, I'm actually gonna try and get ready for the day. That's not gonna happen, is it? So I'm gonna just put on this lovely simple thing, whatever it is, they literally use every day, and it's just really fun. So I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, so I'll be back in a second. Well, I'm not actually in my normal room. Would anyone like to tell me what that was? Because I'm in my living room currently, but I'm doing a living room tour because why not? And because otherwise this video would be very boring. So I'm just gonna get right on with this video. Hey. Well, here we have my sofa. Then here we have these beautiful aesthetic trees from IKEA, only £20 per piece in a pot. Then we have another aesthetic, I'm just treading all these lights here, aesthetic table. Ooh, another big sofa, Christmas tree with lights on it and nothing else because we are so stupid. An extra 1, 2, 3 of them lights that we have over there as well. Fun little thing. A stereo which has its speakers. Another weirdly sized sofa and another armchair and another plant over there and some baubles on the front and a hoover. Wow. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful living room tour, and I really hope to see you in like 1 second. Basically, my brother broke his gun that he got, and yeah, I'm just putting up my head to do great business. So it's not a real gun because you don't live in America. And he wants me to hot glue gun it because I'm the one with the hot glue gun, because I'm just such a DIY queen, honestly. So that's good and fresh and fun. Oh yeah, the reason that he's lying literally there is because he doesn't want to be in it, because, you know, I wouldn't want to be in it, but I mean I am it, so the goal of today, I need to get a thin layer of hot glue to sellotape, or no, to glue on this beautiful wood. Is it wood? No, it's plastic. It's plastic. Nice. Yeah. Don't get annoyed with me if it doesn't work. Disclaimer. Don't touch it, Ollie, it's hot. So guys, on the agenda today is to 1, water my plants because they low-key look dead and they're real plants, not fake. Second thing is to try and find my friends some things that I want to get them for Christmas. Ha, that never happened. And also stay hydrated throughout the day. I literally can't. Oh yes, so strong. Hi guys, so it's currently a lot later. I don't know what the exact time is. I'll literally just see right now for you because it's 5:47. So yeah, that's a lot later in the day, and I've literally done nothing with the day, which is kind of bad. I've been watching YouTube, and we also went out for a little walk, and for lunch, what am I even doing there? Went out to lunch. I had a ham and cheese croissant thing, which was really nice. So yeah, I'm going to show you my outfit of the day. well, I'm putting you here because I can't show you in the mirror because I literally just can't. So my top is plain grey with like little things around it from Topshop, and it's also there. And the jeans from Matalan, and a scrunchie from Claire's Accessories. I'm actually just going to put my hair up. Doing your hair is just like so annoying. Well, that's the end of today's video. If you got to the end, comment down below Burt's Bees because that's just really good and fresh, isn't it? And bye.